Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, beauty today. We are joined by the brand new Miss Universe.
Just put out a plastic?
Don't do that.
You mean just like brand new?
They've got the visuals. The brand new Miss Universe Jamaica, Toshami Calvin. Welcome, Toshami. How are you?
Thank you for having me. I'm doing really good.
Yeah.
Awesome. And I'm happy to be here. How are you guys?
We're here. We
work
work
better
here.
now.
Yeah,
We
work here.
That's good. I'm
Yeah.
glad.
If you notice, I just look who there is there. So, describe who is Toshami in 2 words.
2 words. That's very limiting.
Take a couple more if you need it.
Someone that is, I would say, enjoyable, but also fascinating.
All right. All right.
Fascinating.
Can't make
Like, what are
everybody
they
have
there?
a shift up in a sea. I tell us, Toshami, where in Jamaica do you hail from? In so nervous him can't stop giggling.
From Bath, St. Thomas.
Ah, big up St. Thomas.
Yes.
Oh yes.
A lot of wonderful people coming out
True,
of
true.
St. Thomas, the once forgotten parish.
True.
And name soon drop in a song, you know, brother.
Eh?
And name soon drop in a song.
Hey, careful.
Yeah, that's what I say.
Nears, a little birdie
no.
tell me you're related to Tony and Sing. It's true?
Yes, so she's
Choo-choo.
my cousin, yes.
Oh yeah, sir.
No, me not tell you, daddy. You're cool, man.
So it running out of family then?
I guess so.
That's awesome.
So you know, say everybody in our family line up. No, me next.
No, easy though. I think it's easy. It's a very difficult job, sir.
Reliving the experience of when you were crowned.
Yes.
At that moment when your name was called, what was the first thing that popped in your head?
Disbelief. I was shocked and it was exciting in the moment. And I was just like, did they say my name? And then Rachel is hugging me. So I'm like, yes, I think that's me. So, okay, breathe, like control yourself, your emotions, like you're still here, it's a show. So you still have to smile for the photos. So I didn't want to cry to mess up my makeup because I wanted the photos to look good.
So if I walk out, I said, me did tell her no.
I didn't want to cry, so I took a lot of deep breaths.
Did you make any friends like during
Yes.
the entire?
So all of the women that were in the process with me were wonderful women. They were very passionate about their causes as well and the change that they want to see in Jamaica. And they were all kind, loving, and caring.
Say no one call the name for say that. You know, them two that get them close. Yeah, man, call it, man. Toshami. I don't feel no way, man.
No, man. I enjoyed getting to know each and every one of them and found something interesting about
Shall
all
play
of
nice.
them.
Mix up my try, mix it up.
No, me I call him like me I say you're Craig, I'm a general.
Don't follow him down the road. Don't follow him
I
down
go
the
say
road.
what I okay, Craig, I'm a general.
So you mentioned causes though, right? I want to know like what it is about Jamaica that you would like to highlight as Miss Universe Jamaica now.
What do I want to highlight
About the country.
about the country? Oh, Jamaica has a lot of wonderful things, a lot of wonderful food, music, entertainers, and even sports, people in sports, and they've been doing wonderful things. So I believe that's already something that we highlight. So for me, my cause is highlighting what we could improve on, and that's providing more services for children with autism and make sure those services are readily available so that people don't have to travel far to get the services, and they'll be accessible in the rural areas as well.
Understood. That's a good cause. I was talking to somebody about that this morning actually, so that's impressive.
Anyway, when you talk about highlighting Jamaica, like there was someone who was on the show a couple weeks ago, and he was talking about hidden gems. In your time during the pageant or since then, has there been one place you've visited or heard of, maybe in an interaction or conversation with the ladies, that you're like, wow, this place existed and I would love to visit there one day?
Is there a place? So I feel like my hidden gem is in St. Thomas. Not a lot of people know about the Bat Botanical Garden, which is one of the second oldest garden on the east side of the parish and the universe as well. So it's something that not a lot of people know about, even the Bat Fountain. So there's a lot of hidden gems in St. Thomas where I'm from, and I would like to say I was a hidden gem as well.
I agree.
Yes.
Don't talk to her, man.
So, are you used to making everybody in the room as uncomfortable as clearly?
We're not comfortable, brother. We're not comfortable. Me not uncomfortable. Me not nervous. Me don't nervous. Me just the seat does not. You don't know it.
It's just a spin.
Me don't know something.
Something wrong with the chair. So.
What has been the most exciting experience thus far since you've won?
Since I've won, the first thing I did after I won was I went home with my family for the night, but the next day I went and visited the AC Hotel, and they had these young children there that was aspiring models, and just going and seeing them and interacting with them and them showcasing what they've been learning. It was a really fun experience for me, and I really enjoyed being around them.
Awesome.
That's nice.
I have a little strange question.
Oh.
Did each contestant practice walking with the crown before?
No, you only get to wear it if you win.
How was that difference, that change, when they put it on your head now and you have to make that walk of
I was like, okay.
No pull up me here. Don't pull up.
victory?
It was don't drop it. I was
Right.
like, okay, I need to hold my head up and be still, but still walk. So it was just a moment of, okay, it's really on my head, so that means I really won, and this is real.
Yeah.
So it kind of made it real.
So when you're at home, like by yourself, have you like just put on the crown and just walk around in the room by yourself?
I
and
haven't.
You haven't?
Not yet.
That no TikTok like look who's queen.
When is
No.
when is the actual Miss Universe?
So they
pageant?
haven't set a date or a location as yet, but they did say it's in the first quarter of next year.
Okay.
Oh, see, I'm like no.
I have
Rest of this year.
a good amount of
That's
time to train and get ready for the competition. So I'm
And,
looking
and,
forward
and
to
you have engagements between now and
Yes.
then and stuff. So you're pretty busy schedule.
Yes, this is my second time here for the day.
Awesome.
And something.
Well, congratulations. That's a queen thing going on.
I know, and
Yeah.
I expected it, and I prepared myself mentally, so I'm okay.
Ready.
Well,
St. Thomas thing. in
long
order,
live the
ready.
queen.
All right. Where can we? Yeah. Where can we find more about you on social media?
So at the official Miss Universe Jamaica Instagram page, or on my page, which is TSCCALVIN, and you can also type in my name and it should pop up as well.
All right. Well, enjoy,
Thank
and
you.
good luck whenever the competition is announced.
Thank you, and thank you for having me today.